Welcome back to New Down Francisco 105 on YouTube, guys. And today we are looking at the fireworks, which are supposed to be up there, but I don't see them anywhere. Well, the real ones, guys, are just up there, but you see my fingers pointing to it. There's like billions of people here. Not billions, like a bit less than that. I went on the Sizzler, which is just over there, Sizzler, which was incredibly fun. But there should be some equalizing fireworks somewhere. They're out here somewhere, fireworks. You'll hear them when they come, and I'll look around where they are. Because they're supposed to be out in the lock. Well, they are out in the lock, but I saw some home fireworks over here. So maybe we'll find some home fireworks. I'll tell you guys whenever I do. So guys, the fireworks should be coming in like a second. I'll not say 1 second, like one, but I mean as in like a second. Well, not second.
No problem.
We'll see the no problem, does it? Is it okay if it hears your voice?
Well, I'm not going to be saying that, but yes, it's fine. You just go all the way down.
There's Jessica in a very creepy way. See, there she is with her tablet. She's videoing too. That's what it's like for us. Wait, can we just see? That's what it's like for us videoing. Like that's our screen when we video. Because we've got the same tablet, only hers is white, mine's black. So they're good Samsung Galaxies. Okay, come on. Do we see any of them? When are they coming? Oh!
They're coming!
Alright. It's in the street light went off. Well, that means it's an obvious choice. That they're coming. Did you just... Okay, guys, did you just see that get dark? I have no idea, but they're soon to be coming now. Sumac. Wait, Sumac is a YouTuber, like me. Actually, check out Transporter9. He has hit 99 subscribers. We just need one of you guys to back there to subscribe, just for him to get to 100. Alright, come on, fireworks. You can't wait here all day.
I can see the sky perfectly. Whenever all the lights are off, I can see all the clouds.
I've been in mine not full screen. Sorry guys, I don't want to put it in full screen. I don't think it goes, well, it's just hard to hold like that. Sorry guys if you don't want to subscribe anymore, but oh, that was just a song. See any of them yet? Anybody? Oh, then look at that light.
Yeah.
Oh, can you see that? Big piece of light going.
Subscribers.
Okay. I like views.
No, they don't keep going on. People are not subscribed. You're trying to get them to subscribe.
Okay. Huh?
People thinking you're desperate for people.
Oh yeah.
You'll get there, darling. Here's in 10 years of age.
I don't actually want to.
I don't see any of them yet, guys. You're gonna see some of them, guys. They're epic. So, guys, if you see fireworks, if anybody out there, please let people know. We're down at Sea Park, where is the it's a pretty nice place. It's like a beach. Obviously, it's called Sea Park, and today we have the big amusements there. And sorry, you guys, I went into full screen there. It's upside down as well. I just went upside down there in full screen for some reason. I don't know why. But look at the Terminator 3. It's like that spinning round light. Okay, guys, you see that spinning round really big light? That's. Oh, I saw something. It's not every day I get to video. Oh, ha. Ow. It hurts my stomach, this. Ooh. There's one big one. Red. Or is that red? There's two really big ones going up. Oh! Blue. Oh, that scared me. Perfect shot of that. Big. Bang, bang. Ha. Two. Oh my god. Ah! Oh, what are these? Oh. Okay. It rings. Oh, look at it down there. Bang! It's starting to rain a little bit, but I need to video this. I don't really care. Close up. Oh. That it's kind of raining a little bit. Oh! Something big's could happen. Oh, that was big. No. Oh. Oh. Ooh, big ones. No. No looking. Warn it. Oh. Explodes. Massive explosion. No. No. Oh, lollies. Boom. Oh.